Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So I'm here with Terry and we're looking at a Solitude, and we actually ordered a striker for the entry steps, right? So this is a Mor-Ryde entry steps. What we wanted to talk about is, a customer said, hey, order me one of the latches to put on here. Well, this particular style is a full solid one. So we would have to take this off completely and order two separate latches to hold this thing in place. This is also one of the ones that has the hydraulic on it, So they were like worried about like, hey, this thing, it could fall down and hit me, or it's moving in transit or whatever. Well, it cannot move in transit. When this door frame is shut, this pushes pressure here. If it didn't, it would be causing damage to the wall. It would be causing marks and damage to the frame and the door itself. So we now have a part that we ordered, which we're going to end up probably keeping and returning. But basically, you can't do that. You don't need to do that. It's fine. The odds of this thing failing, if that shock gets to the point where you open up your door and it like way loose wants to come out and smash you, get a new shock, right? Exactly. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more, but we just wanted to talk about that real quick on a video. So in case you're looking or thinking about, you have this particular style of door and you're worried, or you want to have like the ones with the handles or the ones that pull, or a single, or you want to add a second one, make sure that it's capable of handling it. A lot of things too is this door is wider and this step is narrower. So you actually could have got away with a wider step, but this is installed as a factory. So anyways, but that may also have been too because of the platform. So the platform's so wide, so that's probably why it is a narrower step. But anyway, stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, Terry, RV Specialist, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching.